2024 has been an amazing year. Life itself, it's an amazing journey. I am so grateful. I'm so happy for the opportunity, the people I come across on 2024, the relationship that I have built. It's amazing. I have this amazing group that we go out for exploration, just explore Netherlands. We go different parts in the Netherlands. Sometimes we go to the cities in Amsterdam, Utrecht, Rotterdam, Den Haag. We just go look for places to explore, and it's really, really good. I have so much footage on my phone. I never really post these things. I post a little clip now and there. But I just want to start posting everything and just empty my phone. And it was really amazing. So we went to this park in Arnhem to explore and just like walking around. We walk a lot. It was like a 4-5 hours of walking. We had breaks in between, but it was amazing. The view, and also working with a lot of people from different parts of the world. Sharing their experiences. It was amazing. It also felt like therapy, just talking to different people and just knowing that we kind of have a similar mindset, not 100%, but similar mindset. There's certain things we can agree on, there's certain things we see things a little bit alike, and it was just amazing to meet people that from different backgrounds, different field of work, and we all have the same thing. We all be like, you know what, we want to explore, we want to see more things, we just want to get out of our comfort zone. Because for somebody like me who is an introvert, who likes being by myself, and sometimes people misunderstood or like take it a different way when they see me always want to be alone, see it's like a loneliness. No, there's something different with loneliness and solidarity. I just love solidarity. I love peace of mind. I'm more happy when I'm alone. As crazy as it sounds, but I'm more happy. I'm more at peace when I'm alone, when I'm in solidarity. Sometimes people kind of misunderstand solidarity for loneliness, but that's not. I have days that I really want to hang out with people, but not all the time. Not all the time. I have days that I want to hang out with people. I have days that I want to be around people, but I also have days where I just want to be myself. I just want to be by myself. I just want to have a conversation by myself. I'm an overthinker and I am an introvert. So when I'm alone, doesn't mean I'm boring. Trust me, it's my head just keep going. Sometimes it's very difficult to just shut my head. And I love when I am around people. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It's something that I love doing as well. At the same time, I also enjoy my own company. And it's just beautiful, It was an amazing day. We spent the whole day together. We had some couple of breaks, went for ice cream because there are a few places there. I think there's only one place where you can go out for breaks, eat something if you want to eat anything, and then have some ice cream and take a break and then continue the journey. The weather was beautiful. It was really, really nice. I loved it. I had some really great footage that I took. It was just amazing, and I loved it, I loved it. 2024, it's an amazing year. It's a year where I kind of really step out of my comfort zone a little bit, not really bothered a lot about what people has to say, everyone's opinion. I don't know, it's also maybe because I've becoming 30 years of age, to be like, you know what, this is my life, and it has to go by my rules. A part of God making all the decisions, it has to go by my rules. After God, it's my rule. It has to go because it's my life. I'm the only person who is experiencing whatever I'm experiencing. I'm the only one who is feeling it, who is seeing it. Everything happens inside of me. And it was just amazing to just step out of my comfort zone and found amazing people to do amazing things. And this was it. It was really a beautiful day.